So I didn't do a lot of lip lining like ever. Like there were years where I didn't wear a lot of makeup because I live in Florida and it's hot outside and you sweat a lot outside and like, but I did get back into it and I've been enjoying it. And as somebody with a disability, there are times you don't have the energy to do anything. There are times that you feel like a worthless member of society because you can't contribute and you're frustrated because who you are now is not who you were last week, last month, last year, 10 years ago. And it can be very frustrating. So this gives me happiness and joy. And I'm sharing it with y'all because I know there are other people who have disabilities who are in the same boat I am in because I talk to a lot of them through the nonprofit. So this isn't Vicki wants to be a beauty influencer. This is Vicki wants to share something that she enjoys with y'all. So you guys can see more of what we do here than just dogs.